Creating one good ad is hard. Creating 10 different ads to test different hooks, different stories, and different audiences, that usually takes days of work and a pretty serious budget. And that's exactly why most businesses end up running the same creative over and over again. But what if AI could help create multiple marketing videos in a fraction of the time? Today, I'm testing Pippit's marketing shortcut and its new Seedance 2.0 mini model to see if it can help create marketing content faster, cheaper, and at scale. And by the end of this video, we'll have an entire marketing campaign built almost entirely with AI. Let me show you the final result. These videos all started with nothing more than a simple idea.
Is that tuna coffee?
No camera crew, no expensive production process,
Ms. Chen, I presume?
Before you buy another watch,
no actors,
this one changed everything.
just Pippit AI and a few prompts.
Ready to explore the exciting side of AI? This channel brings powerful tools and simple explanations. Each video gives you quick wins, smarter workflows, and creative boosts. If you love tech that truly helps, you'll enjoy what's next.
One of the biggest challenges in marketing today isn't creating content, it's creating enough content. If you're running ads, posting on social media, or promoting products, you don't just need one video. You need multiple versions, different hooks, different styles, different stories, different angles, because until you test those variations, you never really know what will perform best. The problem is that producing all of those assets traditionally can become expensive very quickly. Instead of treating every piece of content like a major production, Pippit pre-builds content strategies for different types of marketing content. You can use its marketing shortcuts to quickly create narrative ads, brand films, and creator commerce videos. So let's put it to the test. The first content format I'm creating is narrative ads with Pippit's marketing shortcuts. This is designed to be the fast path. The idea is simple. Instead of building everything from scratch, you choose a marketing direction and let the platform generate a starting point for you. For this test, I'm choosing a narrative ad, and that's actually one of the areas Pippit focuses on the most. Unlike traditional ads that immediately start selling, narrative ads try to tell a story first and naturally introduce the product along the way. I now want to create a narrative ad for a luxury smartwatch. First, I upload the product information and select one of Pippit's built-in mini-drama genres. Then Pippit starts generating the video. So let's see what happens. What's interesting here is how little setup is actually required. The goal isn't to spend hours configuring settings. It's to move from idea to usable marketing content as quickly as possible. A few moments later, the narrative ads are ready. Honestly, this came out better than I expected. What stands out isn't just the visuals, it's the fact that there's an actual structure, there's a beginning, there's a progression, and the product feels naturally integrated into the story. If you're creating content regularly, having a first draft generated this quickly can save a significant amount of time, especially when you're testing multiple creative ideas. And this is exactly why Seedance 2.0 Mini matters for narrative ads. It makes it so much easier to test more story-led ad ideas, experiment with different hooks and emotional setups, and try new ad concepts without the high production cost. But now I want to see how much creative control we can get. So let's move to the second content format. This is where things get more interesting. Instead of choosing a shortcuts and generating immediately, Pippit allows you to work directly through prompts. The platform can help brainstorm and refine ideas before generating the final content. For this test, I'm creating a cinematic brand film. I'm thinking studio-grade aesthetics, a polished TVC-style feel, something that looks like it could run as a high-end commercial. What's nice here is that you can continue refining the concept. You can adjust the audience, the visual style, the mood, the story direction, and because of that, the output can become much more tailored to your specific goals. After refining the idea and generating the content, here's the result. This definitely feels different from the shortcuts. The marketing shortcut was all about speed. This agent chat is more about customization. The visuals feel more intentional. The creative direction is more specific. And the overall presentation feels much closer to a premium marketing asset. And what's really important here is that Seedance 2.0 Mini delivers this with much more stability and affordability than traditional production. For teams who want polished, branded output without treating every asset like a one-off expensive production, using this workflow makes a lot of sense. Depending on your goals, I could see marketers using both entires together. Generate quick concepts using shortcuts, then develop the strongest ideas further using prompt-based creation. Now, I also want to briefly touch on a third direction that Pippit handles really well: the shortcuts. These are those UGC feel, creator-led product videos you see all over social media. Think product recommendation videos, paid ad conversion clips, lifestyle marketing content, or TikTok-style trending videos. You can generate multiple creator-style assets in one go, test different hooks and formats, and scale your daily social marketing production without burning through your budget. For marketers who usually make product demos, social ads, review-style content, or commerce videos, this is probably the shortcuts you'll use the most. Now let's talk about the technology behind Pippit's marketing shortcuts. One of the key parts of this system is Seedance 2.0 Mini, and the reason that's important isn't just because it generates videos, it's because it makes experimentation much more practical. If you're creating marketing content, success often comes from testing. Testing different hooks, different storylines, different concepts, different audiences. Instead of investing heavily into a single creative direction, Seedance 2.0 Mini makes it easier to explore multiple ideas and produce more content efficiently. And with pricing that comes down to just a few cents per second, you can actually afford to experiment, iterate, and scale, something that was nearly impossible with traditional production. For marketers, agencies, e-commerce brands, and content teams, that's often where the real value comes from. Not just creating one video, creating many videos and finding what works. After testing both entires, I think Pippit is approaching a problem that a lot of marketers face every day. The marketing shortcuts makes it incredibly easy to generate ideas quickly. That's your path to one-click video generation. The prompt input workflow gives you more creative control when you want something customized, perfect for when you want a cinematic masterpiece or studio-grade branded content. And combined with Seedance 2.0 Mini, the entire process feels much more scalable than traditional content production. If your goal is creating marketing videos, narrative ads, brand films, or other promotional content more efficiently, this is definitely a tool worth exploring. If you'd like to try Pippit for yourself, I'll leave the link in the description below. And here's the thing, this is a limited time deal. So if you want to start creating more high-converting marketing videos for just pennies per second, I'd grab it before it's gone. Check out the new Seedance 2.0 Mini model and see what kinds of marketing campaigns you can create. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let me know what AI tool you'd like me to test next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.